Hey everybody, this is Ori from AstroWeb, and today I'm going to talk to you about Magento's backend feature called Login as Customer. What it does very simply is it allows the customer service, it allows the business to assist the customer to do actions on their behalf by logging into their account without knowing their password, by just clicking and going to the front end just like the customer sees and doing things for them. For example, placing an order or adding a product to cart, or just browsing the site and helping them and then giving it back to them. Okay, so why would you need this? First of all, some businesses need to assist their customers to actually do things on their behalf, like take an order in the back end. For example, maybe a customer calls on the phone and they don't know how to place an order, or they have some kind of issue. They just on the phone they make an order, and then the customer service goes to sales orders, creates a back-end order, and etc. In some cases, you need to log in as the actual customer to the front end, to the website. And if your business allows this, which depends on your business policy, you would want to enable this or disable this. So this video is just going to show you how it works, what are the basics. So let's assume that your business for customer service accepts the fact that you can log in as the customer. So what do? First of all, you have to go to customers. You have to enable this thing. Okay, so I went to store configuration, and I went to customers and login as customers, and I enabled the extension. Okay, so I enabled it, and I go here, and I can also enable or disable the cache, and I can also, if I have multiple store views, then I can actually change that. But right now I'm going to keep everything for default. Okay, so now once I do that, if I'm a customer service and then a customer calls me, I can go to the order, I can go to the customers, and I can actually go and log in as a customer. So let's say I go and I view my customers. They called me and they need some assistance. Maybe they can't make an order or they don't know how to. So I can go, for example, into this customer right here, and let's edit this customer. Let's take a look at the customer's information. I verified that it's them, right? Now I can go here and I'm going to have a button here called Log In as Customer, right? And you can disable this. So I'm going to show you some permissions a little bit later, okay? So I click here and it says, okay, actions you're making are going to be actions on behalf of the customer. Are you sure? And I'm going to say yes. When I do that, now I'm going to go to the front end as the customer. So you see here, I have this and it says you're logged in as a customer. So I have a reminder, and I have a huge reminder at the top, right? So in case I want to close this, I can just close the session. Okay, so now I'm logged in as a customer. Now I can do things on their behalf. For example, I can add a product to their cart, or maybe they couldn't find a certain product. I can go ahead and I can just add this product to their cart. I can go ahead and make an order. I can do a lot of things, right? So let's go here. Let's proceed to checkout. Maybe I can change their address book or whatever I need to do for customer service, okay? So I can do that. Everything you do is on their behalf, and you have the reminder here, okay? So that's it. So now that I finished it, I can, make the order for them or whatever, and then I can email them back and say, okay, we finished, and here you go, please pay, or whatever it might be, right? We finished the order for you. So that's basically, it's really, really simple. You just do things on their behalf, and anything you do is going to actually be in their orders and in their customer, etc. Okay? Okay. So one more thing about this simple feature is you can also make some permissions about it. Okay, so if you want to assign certain roles and you don't want everybody in your company to be able to log in as a customer, you can assign that to specific roles. So I go here to System, and I can go to User Roles, and I can create a role for that, right? So I can go here, let's say I create a new role, just for example. Then I'm just going to call it Limited Customer Service, okay? And just to show you, I can go here to log in as customer, and then you can see these things right here. I can log in as customer, I can allow them to see the button, and I can view the login as a customer log. So now you have permissions that you can allow some people and some people not. That's basically it. Pretty simple. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's a really simple functionality. We don't need to make a long video for it. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Let me know if you use it, what you think about this functionality, and think obviously before you allow anybody in the business to log in as a customer and to place back-end orders and front-end orders, all that kind of stuff. So appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, guys.